Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I will discuss with you those indoor plants that you can easily use to decorate your kitchen. These are indoor plants that, while staying in your kitchen, provide you with oxygen. They also purify the air in the kitchen and create a healthy environment. You can place these plants on your kitchen window as well. You can also hang them. Yes, you can even place them beside the fridge in your kitchen. All the plants look absolutely beautiful and also give your kitchen a fresh new look. Before we move ahead in the video, I have a request for you. If you are new to my channel, please make sure to subscribe to the channel so that videos with ideas like these can be really helpful for you. And if you like the video, please do like, share, and comment. You will definitely love these ideas, and you too will make your kitchen healthy and beautiful. So friends, how are you liking these ideas that I am sharing with you? Do share your opinion with me. We'll meet again in the next video. Until then, allow me to leave. Take great care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.